Okay guys, so we are trading the Ultrabond here. So we are trading on a Unirenko trend 1 reversal 2. Okay, so this is how we can get a movement in this market. So we can see here, this was the morning, the open was here. It was a big short, then the market reversed, then we see the imbalance pattern here indicator telling us that the market was gonna go higher. It
Order
went
submitted.
higher, then it went down. We didn't have any prints here. Then we see the bottom fishing here. Then the market went up. Then we took a long here. Then we see the imbalance pattern here. Okay, so we see selling from these arrows. Then we made a short on the break of the ATR.
Order
Then it
canceled.
rebounded on the big ATR. Like always, it's the same thing. Even if it's Nasdaq or whatever, you can trade, guys. I'm gonna close this trade as soon as.
Order filled.
Okay, so then the market rebounded, hit the ATR. You remember the V pattern, right? It's always the same thing, guys. It's
Order submitted.
always the same thing. Then the market broke,
Order filled.
more than enough, good money. Okay, so over here they almost hit the ATR again, again, as we are in an upside. And over here was, as you can see, tried to go again, even though it was a good trade, but the market decided to go short. So there's many settings that we can do here. As this chart is brand new, we're starting to develop this template. Okay, I'm gonna show you one that has more sensitive. Okay, this one is more sensitive. Okay, so for example, it gives you, you see the magenta arrow. We see an imbalance to the downside here. Then we saw it here. This instrument is very slow to trade, but it's less risky. So
Stop filled.
it's very recommended to trade it. You can trade one lot. I think it's $35 a tick. So as you can see the bottom fishing here in this area too. Okay, you can see the short here. Okay, so you can control the amount of time it takes to develop. These ones are 115 seconds. You can see this one is 116 seconds again. Then we saw one here plus 24. As this market has very low volume, but it's not more than 100k contracts. And but it's a mover. It moves more, and it's really it's really special. I really believe this market can be very good. So you can see the tape momentum, the blue line here. So it's tape momentum here. So even though the ES is a good instrument to trade, but sometimes it's too volatile and very difficult to trade. So with this, you can make a good trade and win some extra ticks, because one bar can take up to 10 minutes, 15 minutes to move. So that's why we traded like one tick and two reversals. So that's how it works. If you want something more stable, more just based on the order flow, as you can see, the tape is in aggregation of 10. So, and even though it's not moving, you see we got 42 ticks, and that's the way it works. That's the way it works. So you need to get used to how it works. Okay, so you can see here Bidaskmultimarket correlation just one during the day. So we got one here. But it's because of the market how it moves. It's a very slow market, a low risk market. Okay, so we're still working on the template, guys. So, but with the visual imbalance, it can work very well. You can catch reversals, and just wait, just trade via the ATRs, or wait for the V pattern to move. And you can compare it with the Nasdaq and still works. Still, you can use Nasdaq divergence to trade this market, because Nasdaq has something to do with it too. So it's not like the Nasdaq is the leader in everything almost. Okay, guys, thanks for watching.